Hello guys, good morning. It's me again, Fatima Adnan, and living here in Pakistan, and I have work also here, and I'm also have husband here but no kids. I have only one daughter in Philippines. And now I'm finished my shower, get shower, and then uh, today is good weather, no hot, because have rain. So yes, and I'm waiting my boss if he calling me or someone come here for knock the door, and then I make breakfast for him, and yeah, that's it. And because my madam late wake up, maybe 12 o'clock like that. Yes, so because my boss is wake up early, if Monday to Friday. Yes, Monday to Friday. And I'm alone again. And next month I go back to my permanent job. Yes, because next month my madam and her family come back from other country. And that's it, guys. That is my update of my life here in Pakistan. And also my husband is in my home. Yes, so I don't know what he doing there. I don't know what kind of work he does. So, and he's living with her father because her father is come here for vacation. Yes, I don't know what time my boss wake up, because yesterday he wake up 10, I think 10. I don't know. But I'm waiting. I'm writing what I buy next my holiday. And next my holiday, uh, oh, I don't know who is. Oh my god. Wait, I will check my another moment. Maybe my boss is message me. Oh gosh. Oh, no one. I'm just expected. Still rain, guys, outside. So nice weather because no and I don't know, maybe tomorrow I have planned for wash my cloth because my cloth is so much na, and yes, at least my coworker is not here, so I can put my cloth here in her bed. Yes, tomorrow I will, because I think 5 days have rain. My husband told me have rain, guys. It's okay, but because if no rain, oh my god, guys, so much hot. Af- Especially after the rainy day. For example, today is rain and then tomorrow not rain. Oh my god, it's so hot, guys. So much hot. And for ex- yeah, so much hot. That's right. So now, guys, I need to bye bye. Maybe my boss calling me. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please support my YouTube channel and likes. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.